Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel the HowStation. My name is Tanvi. So guys, as we all know that the Navratri festival is going on, so I thought of making some craft related to the Navratri festival. So I've made this. So these are two dandiya players, so you can use it to gift someone as a piece of decoration, as a wall hanging, anything to decorate your house or your room or anything for the Navratri festival. It's very easy to make. I've made this on the CD, so I'm going to show you how I made this. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. To begin with, here I have got my foam sheet. I'm going to make the dandiya player silhouette on this. So first thing, I am going to take a CD and trace an outline of the CD onto the foam sheet. Next, I'm going to make lines at a distance of about maybe half an inch to 1 inch from four sides of the circle, and then I'm going to use this rectangle in the center as a reference to draw my dandiya players. Now for the silhouettes, you can just go to your internet and search for dandiya player silhouettes and you'll get a ton of drawings. You can use any one of those for reference, and if you're not very good at drawing, you can print it out and then maybe stick it on the foam sheet and cut it out. I prefer drawing, so I'm going to use a reference image and draw the image on the foam sheet and then cut it out. So here's my silhouette after I'm done drawing and cutting it out. I'm going to keep this aside for the time being and start working on my CD. So first I'm going to place a rough cloth on my table so that I don't spoil it with paint, and I'm going to start painting the CD. So I'm going to give an ombre effect to the CD. So first I'm going to apply a coat of yellow color, and then I'm going to use a sponge and I'm going to just dab it all over to get rid of the streaks, just like I had done in the CD nameplate video. After that's done, I'm going to leave the CD aside for a little while for the paint to dry. Once the yellow dries, I am going to take a lid and place it on the CD like this, and the part which is outside the lid, I'm going to color that in orange. Then I'm going to again take my sponge and I'm going to run it on the edges of the yellow and the orange to blend the two colors with each other. And last but not the least, I'm going to take some red and I'm going to apply that on the borders of the CD. And then again I'm going to dab the sponge on the orange and the red so that both the colors combine with each other and give a nice ombre effect. So my CD here is ready. Now I want to cover up this hole in the center, so I'm going to take a foam sheet and then I'm going to draw the circle on the foam sheet and cut it out. I'm going to paint the foam sheet yellow in color as well, and then I'm going to place it over here in the circle, and I'm going to secure it from behind with some cello tape so that it does not fall out or come off. So my CD is done. Now I'm going to take my dandiya player silhouette and I'm going to just see where I want to place them. I want to apply a nice layer of glue on them and then stick it on the desired place on the CD, and with that the dandiya player silhouette decoration is complete. So guys, that was how I made the decorative piece, Navratri themed decorative piece. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you all did, please do hit the like button and tell me in the comments down below on how you thought the video was. Share it with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you've already subscribed, make sure that you have the notifications turned on by pressing the little bell icon which is right next to the subscribe button. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a good day, take care, and goodbye.